Welcome back to Shortastic Reviews. Got a really good one today, short and sweet. This little chainsaw has done a fantastic job. So over the winter, needed to chop some of these firewood in half. Normal wood saw just takes too long. This thing blazes through it, did a great job. But not only that, but today I was able to chop down this old dead orange tree that we had that we need to replant. So it cut through that stump, no problem. So I give this guy a huge thumbs up.